Thank you, Peter. You saved my life. You are a great man.
Thank you Peter لتا څخه ډیره مننه پیټره. You saved my life تا زما ژوند بچ کړ. life ویل کیږي ژوند ته. You are a great man ته یو ښه سړی یې.
Take care, Judy. I should go now. Good night.
Take care Judy. خیال دې ساته جوډي. I should go now. زه باید اوس لاړ شمه. Good night. ښه شپه ولرې.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? آیا ته صحیح یې؟
Yes. I am okay. Sorry, I slipped. Good night.
Yes هو I'm okay. زه صحیح یم. Sorry بخښنه غواړم. I slept. زه وښویدلم. Slept ویل کیږي ښویدلو ته. Good night. ښه شپه ولرې.
Where is my daughter? I want to meet her. Why is she here?
Where is my daughter? زما لور چیرته ده؟ I want to meet her. زه غواړم له هغې سره ملاقات وکړم. Why is she here? هغه ولې دلته ده؟
She got shot. She wanted to help me. Tony kidnapped my daughter.
She got shot. هغه په ګولۍ ولګېدله. She got shot مطلب ده چې هغه په ګولۍ ولګېدله. She wanted هغې غوښتل to help me چې زما کومک وکړي. Tony kidnapped my daughter. Tony چې وه زما لور یې کډناپ کړې وه یعنې تښتولې وه. کډناپ ویل کېږي تښتولو ته.
I am so sorry. Your daughter had to go through this.
I am so sorry. زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم. Your daughter had to go through this. ستا لور باید له دې څخه تېره شوې وای.
This cannot be happening. How is she now?
This cannot be happening. دا باید واقع شوی نه وای. How is she now? هغه اوس څنګه ده؟
She is perfectly fine now. You can meet your daughter.
She is perfectly fine now. هغه په مکمل ډول سره اوس صحیح ده. You can meet your daughter. ته کولی شې چې له خپل لور سره ملاقات وکړې.
My sweetie. How are you feeling now?
My sweetie زما خوږې. How are you feeling now? ته اوس څنګه احساس کوې؟
Mom, please don't cry. I am fine. I cannot see tears in your eyes.
Mom مورې please don't cry. مهرباني وکړه ژاړه مه. cry ویل کېږي ژړل ته. I'm fine. صحیح یم. I cannot see tears in your eyes. زه ستا په سترګو کې اوښکې نشم لیدلی. tears ویل کېږي اوښکو ته.
Mom, look at me. I am fine.
Mom مورې look at me. ما ته وګوره. I'm fine. صحیح یم.
You have to listen to me. You need to rest for a few days.
You have to listen to me. ته باید ما ته غوږ ونیسې. You need to rest for a few days. ته باید د یو څو ورځو لپاره rest وکړې یعنې آرام وکړې. rest ویل کېږي آرام کول.
I cannot rest, Mom. I have to work.
I cannot rest mom. زه rest نشم کولی یعنی آرام نشم کولی مورې. I have to work. زه باید کار وکړم.
Your mom is right, Rose. You need to rest for a few days.
Your mom is right, Rose. ستا مور بالکل صحیح ده. You need to rest for a few days. ته باید د یو څو ورځو لپاره آرام وکړې. few days ویل کېږي د یو څو ورځې.
You will get paid. Don't worry about it.
You will get paid. تا ته به روپۍ درکول کېږي. Don't worry about it. دې باره کې پریشانه کېږه مه.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much. تا څخه ډېره زیاته مننه. God bless you. الله دې په تا رحم وکړي.
I will listen to you, Mom.
I will listen to you, Mom. زه به تا ته غوږ نیسم مورې.
I love Peter. I think he loves me as well.
I love Peter. زه له پیټر سره مینه کوم. I think زما په فکر he loves me as well. هغه هم له ما سره مینه کوي.
He put his life in danger for me.
He put his life in danger for me. هغه خپل ژوند زما لپاره په خطر کې واچو. danger ولکېږي خطر ته.
I love you, Peter. I love you so much.
I love you Peter. زه تا سره ډیره مینه کوم پیټر. I love you so much. تا سره مینه کوم ډیره.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are gonna love it.